that people on both sides had during those 3 years.
Kandi boda ekachingwa okumara emyaka 3 kandi abantu bitu baravuga n'uburemezi bw'amani munonga.
So ntusima ruhanga munonga ngo akayigura boda yitu. Ntusima leaders witu President Museveni na President Kagame for working to resolve the misunderstandings between the two countries.
Arasima President wetu His Excellency General Yoweri Kaguta Tibahurwa Museveni kandi na mugenzi we Paul Kagame.
Leaders. Yes. Mareke bantu manite tungo mu kishogo. Mareke tungo mu kishogo. Mwisha porampara. Nite tugendena na President with to be. Yes. Abana sebo. Deba kakana kaka. Bahere pasi babana ni mwire ham. Our second member Gabriel Kartawe bare kuisha. Mutuwe chance bantu mwe mwire nyuma.
Our visiting delegation from our neighbor Rwanda the generals present, especially General Kale Keihura,
General Kale Keihura,
and also Lieutenant General Owesigire,
kandi hamwe na General Owesigire Kasoka,
the CMI Major General Birungi,
kandi owasemayi wetu General Birungi,
and his counterpart from Rwanda Major General Nyakarundi,
kandi hamwe na mugenzi we okurika Rwanda General Nyakarundi.
All members of parliament,
bamemba ba parliamenti bona baryaha,
members of SEC,
kandi abamemba b'urukiko rukuru,
the LC5 chairpersons,
bachameni b'entebe za katanu abakigezi n'ahandi.
all of you distinguished, our religious leaders,
abanyadini kandi abatwebembera omusavisi,
all of you ladies and gentlemen,
mwena ngo kumuryaha omubitinisa byanyu.
kantanshe no kugira ngo Museveni oye, President Museveni oye, President Kagame oye, Rwanda oye, Uganda oye. Abantu bakigezi nimbaramutya mwe bari munonga kwija mukorogu kandi mukeija ombwenji muti ntubasima munonga kandi Mhamzaho.
Mugumizaho, mugumena mani. General niko yagira.
Ni nsima urukunde jiyoni.
Maze kuza. Mwebare kwija.
Kandi ntubakunda mnonga.
Kandi turabakunda cyane. Bene wacu muvuye mu Rwanda turabakunda cyane.
Speech yanje yo mu rujungu.
Speech ya General wetu nko mujenyi mukuru.
So ni nshaba.
Yo mu rujungu.
Omwami nshanga basheja kunvunura. I greet you all.
Kandi mwebare kwija omubwinji.
I really appreciate your love.
General yasima munonga abwa rukundo yanyu.
It is wonderful to be back in Kabale after some time.
Chamulenga okwisha Kabale anyuma yobwire bulingwa.
I was here in Kabale in 1980.
Akabali hanu ya muri Kabale owachigezi.
So Kabale ni njimanyaje.
Kabale na jimanyaje.
I remember the cold weather in the mornings in Kabale.
Areshuka obufusi bw'amani omukasheshe omuri Kabale kigezi.
And this morning when it was cold, I started getting memories of those days.
Kandi mukasheshe haza obufusi areshuka ebyabirabaho obubwire achali Kabale.
Today we're here to celebrate the opening of the border with our brothers and sisters in Rwanda.
Echerizole chamani no kushemererwa no kuchaguza abokuyuka kwetu okwabodea katuna na bagenzi beitu aba Rwanda.
It was closed for 3 years, and you know all the problems that people on both sides had during those 3 years.
Kandi boda ekachingwa okumara emyaka 3 kandi abantu bitu barabuga n'obulemezi bw'amani munonga.
So ntsima hanga munonga ngakayigura boda yetu. Ntsima leaders wetu President Museveni na President Kagame for working to resolve the misunderstandings between the two countries.
Arasima President wetu His Excellency General Kaguta tibahurwa Museveni kandi na mugenzi we Paul Kagame abokushitama bakamaraho embera z'abestaragenda kurunji kandi boda yetu ekiguka.
The relations these days are very good. We have very good relations now.
Enkwatanisa no kolengana hati birije biragenda mu misho.
Nimemwebare. Pan-Africanists like us cannot be happy when borders are closed.
Omutima wo kwatanisa ka Africa tukabaho boda zetu zichinjirwe.
We want our people to move freely, to trade freely throughout Africa.
Barenda ngo abantu bitu batambule ate no kwata mukono Africa yona.
We continue to strive for a borderless Africa.
Kandi balakumizamo no kuchihagira kureba ngo cyecuntu cyagumaho omu Africa.
Since the border opened early last year, trade between Rwanda and Uganda is recovering.
Kwiha omwaka guhera boda yayiguka obwo bwire hatiya ebyo bushubuzi biratambura kurunji.
Before the border was closed, our annual trade was $200 million per year.
Boda atakashinjire bakaba turashoroza miliyoni 2 omwaka. Miliyoni 3 za dola omwaka.
That translated to $17 million per month.
Echo kiramanyisa ngo buri kwezi tukaba turashoroza miliyoni 17 za dola.
When the border closed, that figure went down to $60,000.
Kubashinjire boda omusharuro gwa shuma hansi okuyisika ari dola kakaga.
Today I checked with Bank of Uganda before coming here. Today the figure is $20 million per month. We have even gone beyond what was there before.
Atakijiranu ya checkinga na Bank of Uganda ya shanga twine sente ziraika dola ezimwahurira
20
miliyoni 20. Miliyoni 20 mwachihurira echo chama isa kututere entambwe yamani munonga zeyongereho munonga zayangutuka.
This is, we are only talking about export of goods. Export of goods. We're not talking about informal trade. We're not talking about services.
Echo ari kugamba abya bushubuzi ebirashora omwihanga butaryo bushubuzi obwaburijo obutwabere turakora.
If you include informal trade, the one that is not monitored, and services like tourism, like banking, like insurance, the figure is higher.
Watamu ebya bushubuzi bwa burijo nebya tourism nebya kubankinga esente ziyonjera heguru munonga.
I saw somebody saying that trade has not, I saw somebody saying on TV that trade has not recovered. Either they don't know or they are not being truthful, because trade is even more now than before.
Hari abantu bamwe abarareba amahurire ha TV barajya mu byo bushubuzi nibibi ingaha baragamba iki batari kumanya abo kwatiya obushubuzi bweyongerere kimwe munonga.
I want to thank the youth.
Arenda kusima eminyeto enzinganto.
Nienda kusima eminyeto.
Engaro zamani
for the strong support.
Habo kumuhakira munonga naganyugona.
In all these activities for this Rukundo Igumeho Thanksgiving and concert, the youth have been in the lead.
Habo no kutebekanisa ogumukoro gwa Rukundo Igumeho kandi no kushemererwa abo kwika kwa boda mutelemamani minji nkeminyeto. Mwebale munonga, asante sana. Mwebale kuhajira General Mozike Mnurugaba.
The youth are the most dynamic segment of the population.
Eminyeto nimwe sirali hango population yetu yehanga.
The country and the future belongs to you, the youth.
Ihanga namasikogo mu mesho gali ari imwe nkeminyeto.
We request you, the youth, to be more active in your communities.
Arabashaba okutamamani nengoga.
You should be more active in monitoring government programs in your communities.
Mushameye kutamamani okurambura programu za government zona ezirakorwa omubishweka byaitu.
Those programs are there to serve you.
Ezo programs na projects nezanyu okubayamba ngumuwehoje.
Programs like parish development model,
programu nka parish model eryamiruka yaitu eyibali kutamesente,
Operation Wealth Creation,
esente eza Operation Wealth Creation ezibaratungaga omubishweka byaitu munji achagumize muno kubashoborolera.
You should get concerned.
Jabi bitarakoraje mushemere kufayo.
And ask your leaders why they are not working.
Mutubuze mubuzabembezi banyu habwenshi ebintu bitari gukora.
The leaders work for you. Lubabakorera.
Abebembezi nimwe bari gukorera kandi nimwe muraterera karuru.
You vote for them.
Murabaterera karuru.
So you should ensure that the programs are helping you.
So mushemere kurebeka ngu ebyo bintu byagenda mu meisho.
Another issue is maintaining your health. The youth, you should maintain your health.
Ekindi kintu kyamani nkeminyeto tushemere kulinda amagara gaitu. Munonga.
They say health is wealth.
Baragira ngu amagara nibwo bugega kandi amagara garashira magana. Mwakihurira echo. Amagara nibwo bugiga kandi amagara garashira magana.
You should stay fit and healthy.
Mushabaye kumamwina mani kandi mwina magara marungi.
Because the country needs you to develop.
habo kuba ihangalira benda okuja guturitungure.
Now, I cannot live here without talking about some economic issues.
Takarwa hanuya atagambire abintu byo kubesaho ihangalire itu.
We must support the President's message of everybody engaging in commercial agriculture.
Tushemerere okurikiza message nanga sho gutuma bwa president okwetungura turabira umubyo buhinji.
Most of us in this country are farmers.
Enamba mpangu y'abantu binji ko kuturyaha abinji n'abatunji kandi n'abalisa.
Now in places like Kabale,
so nabwecho emyanya nka Kabale Kigezi,
which already have small plots of land because of land fragmentation,
aho twine obutaka buce abo kubucanyagura habwe namba mpango,
you should engage in high value enterprises.
Shemere kwejumba mu bintu ebiratasa ebyarurengo rwahiguru
on those small plots of land.
Hariyobwo poroti buce obutwine nko kuhinga nyanya, obutunguru, ebijuma n'emboga nebindi. No kutunga mpunu.
Our chicken wari mpunu. Numeri mpunu. Okay, very good.
Kasari nabahereze mpunu tibokwe. No muntu wa emuke munonga.
Nati na kuchigamba ho na think kumanya. Okay, if you no problem. President has said you should focus on poultry.
President aterehesira okuja kutuze mu byo kutunga enkoko,
dairy farming,
okutunga ebyentaza bya bulizoba nkamate nebindi,
using zero grazing.
Turatunga zero grazing nko kutunga ente okagita mu kijuna ngebiri oragirisizamu,
and piggery.
Hamwe no kutunga empunu ko kumwahora mukase ndamira arabahereza empunu.
This will make you earn some good money on a small plot of land. Next time I'll come here and give you figures of how much you can earn per year if you do these activities.
Ogundi murundi ya kugaruka hanuya aryabagambira nesete zingahe ejo araza kutunga mu mwaka wabaratunga zo project ziyagamba ngempunu nenkoko nebindi.
People, because of small pieces of land, you cannot grow. For example, if you're doing dairy farming, you cannot grow the maize, the animal feed for the cow yourself on that land.
Habwa butaka buce titurasa kutaye bintu binji ebyo kutunga kente omunamba mpango titurakibaza ko ngatwakora ezo zero grazing eratuyamba ahuja kutkino butaka buce.
So government is working on a scheme.
Nabwe echo government erikuza kuchita mu nkora
to encourage people with big chunks of land to grow maize,
kugira ngo abantu abene ubutaka buhango bahinge bichole,
and then sell it to you who have small pieces of land.
Then itwabene ubutaka buce batuguze.
And government can subsidize, government can help bring the price down so it is not high.
Kandi government eratuyamba okula gutwagurira aha price ebonire aha kiguzi kirungi ekitarya iguru.
Another thing that government is planning to do for Kabale and Kigezi generally
ekindi kintu cyamani ekihanga ryetu riri kupuraninga okora Kabale hamwe na Kigezi
is to utilize the huge iron ore deposits here.
No kureba ngo byo gusibye itu ebiri mu butaka nka iron ore twabaza kubitabekaniza kurunji kunuya omuri Kigezi
in order to develop a steel industry.
kugira ngo tukore ebyamaguzi muri Kigezi no muri Kabale abana betu bafune mirimo.
In the whole of Uganda, we have 500 million tons of iron ore deposits.
Mu Uganda yona twine tanizi emitwaro atano mu Uganda yona byona bibarirwe hamwe.
And in Kigezi we have 200 million tons of iron ore are found in Kigezi.
Kandi muri Kigezi twine tani miliyoni 2 eziri mu itaka ryetu gebyo buguzi.
Government has already encouraged a private investor.
Government yagezo kuronda abantu abagiga bamani abarekozesa
based in Jinja.
Kandi ebaze kubatebekanisa omwanya ogwajinja
called Modern Group.
Kandi yaronda abantu abamulembe
which is about to start a steel industry here in Kabale.
Kandi beteguire okutandika amakorero 15 omuri Kabale Kigezi. Obugaro bw'amani abwecho. Obugaro. Ebirunzi niho byeja. Ebirunzi niho byakira ki?
They are going to invest $150 million here in Kabale.
Hatiya baza kuleta miliyoni 500 za dola omuri Kigezi. Hanuya.
They are just waiting for mining license from Ministry of Energy and Mineral Development.
Bategereze ekipapura nanga shi license eroga mu Ministry ya Energy okugira ngo batandike mirimo yabo.
And then they start.
Okugira ngo bakubide batandikireho.
So next time I come, which I hope by that time they would have set up, you'll prove that I'm telling you the facts.
Yaza kugaruka ebyo byona biraza kuba byakozirwe kandi mwikirize nguyabagambira amazimeri izoba. Engaro zamani.
Finally, another area President says you should focus on in Kigezi is tourism.
Ekindi ekyamwere kyamani ekyokutahesira ryamani no kureba ngo byo burambuzi twabitaho esira ryamani omuri Kabale Kigezi.
Here God helping us to open the border has helped for tourism.
Hanu ya Kigezi Kabale na Katuna aboro hanga kutuyamba bodete kiguka ebyo burambuzi biri kugenda mu meisho.
Because you know Rwanda and Uganda and this part of Uganda is almost one tourist area.
Uganda na Rwanda umuriyeshweka ebyo burambuzi niho biri munonga.
People land in Kigali and they drive here. They drive to Bwindi, they drive to Queen Elizabeth from Kigali.
Touristi ba
Musembera abana